Hi, how's it going? Welcome to my video and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a special unboxing. It's quite a big box over here on the ground. It's a lot larger than what I was expecting. If you are new to my channel or if you're coming back, Louis Vuitton is one of my favorite handbag brands, and I actually, for the longest while, I was taking a pause from them because I didn't really see anything that really caught my eye. But I have been wanting this particular handbag for quite a while. I've never seen it in person. They're revamping a lot of new releases that look amazing. And so I saw that this one was on mine. This bag that I will be unboxing actually was discontinued and they re-released it, I think. And I am beyond ecstatic because it's like the missing piece to my Louis Vuitton collection. So if you're interested in handbags, I would love to have you follow along. If you like today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Diane. Here we like to talk about handbags. I like to do reviews. If you're coming back, thank you so much for coming back. Let's get started with today's unboxing. All right, so I'm flipping the angle so you can see. Look how big this box is. It was massive, way bigger than what I was expecting. So here's a tabby. Oops. Guess we'll start from this end. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait. Ooh. This must be the receipt. Let's see here. Yep, these are just my receipts and a return label if I wanted to return it. I love how obviously it's a luxury brand, so it's not marked on the outside, but then when you open it up on the inside, it is completely orange. And oh, this thing is so heavy. Okay, we'll put that box over there. And oh my gosh, this is such a big box. I've never had a Louis Vuitton box this big before. Look how much bigger the box is compared to this bag, but it is a very big bag. So it comes in the dust bag. Oh my gosh. This is such a big bag, but I have been wanting this bag for so long. Ta-da! So this is huge. So this is the Speedy 40, but it's also in the Bandouliere version. So if you follow my channel, you should know how much I love the Speedy, but I feel like any Speedy, like it's worthwhile just spending the extra money to get the Bandouliere version. But for the longest time, they had discontinued this 40, and the only way to get it was personalized. And I saw that they had just recently like re-released this. And this is literally such a big handbag, but I thought it would be good because that way I tend to carry a lot, or if I go home for the weekend and I just wanted to bring some toiletries and some chargers and things, I would have extra space. Or if I wanted a big handbag to put like my work stuff. Oh my gosh, I love this. As a Speedy fan, this is amazing. So I just love a brand new handbag with the untreated vachetta leather handles. I'm not sure if it'll show up on the lighting, but I feel like there are some lines here on this chap, which is really interesting. Not sure if that'll bother me or not. And then let's look at the other chap. Maybe it's just the wrinkling in the leather. There's a little bit on this side. Not sure if it'll show, but the gold is so nice and shiny. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. And of course, this is the Bandouliere version. And check it out. It says Louis Vuitton made in France right there. So this was shipped all the way from France, which I am so ecstatic about. And just a little tip, if you're wondering when you look at the Speedy Bandoulières, which size, if you look underneath, if you pull like here on the side, on one of the sides, you can see there's the 40. So this is the Speedy Bandouliere 40. It's one piece of canvas that wraps all the way around. This is a massive bag, but also at the same time, I felt like I would use the 40 a lot more than had I gotten the 45 keep all. Let's go inside. I'm so excited. Okay, let's see here. Here are the straps. I've never had straps come like this before where they're kind of already interlocked together like that. Of course, these are all the untreated vachetta leather. Look how pretty this gold hardware is. and it's even wrapped so where the hardware doesn't get scratched. And then also on the inside, there is the little bag, and these, I can already hear it jingling. These are the keys to the padlock that's on the outside. Oh wow, a brand new lock is so gold and shiny. Not sure if it's going to tarnish like my other ones, but this goes on the padlock here, which I actually, when I first got my Speedy 30, I used to keep it on the outside like that, but I actually felt like it tarnished the lock, so I'm going to take it off. I have the lock and the key, and I will probably just keep it inside the bag, to be honest. So there's that little lock and key. And then on the inside, there is a little textile card. This is the English side. It says coated fabric. Obviously, it's coated canvas with the vachetta leather. And let's see. This is also something different and something that I've never had before, where on the inside of the pocket, there is this separate card. I'm not sure if this is something new from France that they're doing, but I've never had a bag come from Louis Vuitton with this little tag on it. So this is a new detail. Oh, interesting. So this is just the price tag. So this is a Speedy 40 Bandouliere. Normally my other ones, the little this tag is usually like a sticker, and it's with this, but now I guess they've changed it and it's tied here to the inside of this zipper. And of course, with the newer versions of the Speedy, there's this inner pocket that has this zipper. Everything and all of the gold is just so shiny. I love it. And I normally just keep the little textile card and the keys and the padlock inside, so I'll just go ahead and put that there. And so yeah, this is like a basic bag, but it is like, as a girl who loves the Speedy, I am so excited about having this. I know it's a huge bag, but that way I can use it to my mom's house on the weekend or traveling anywhere where I want a larger bag that's still zippered. It has a top handle, it has a shoulder strap, and I can make it into a longer strap because there are the 3 options. I love the Speedy. That is my unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what your thoughts are. I know this is like a very classic bag, but I love the Speedy, and I'm so excited to have the Speedy 40 now to complete my entire Louis Vuitton Speedy collection. I wanted to show you a quick video on how the 40 looks like on me. I'm 5'4" in height. I know it looks very large, but I love a big bag. And so yeah, this is the Bandouliere version. I am so excited to have this in my collection. It's empty, so that's why it looks slouchy like this. I haven't packed it yet. If you have any questions, comment down below. Otherwise, I will see you next time. Bye.